Welcome to our video series on how to set up and use the password manager, KeePassXC. In this video we will show you how to import a shared password database, which will be updated every time you open your password database. To be able to import password databases, you must first activate the settings within your password manager for the import. To do this, click on the gear icon. As soon as the settings menu has opened, select Key Share on the left-hand side. Here you can activate your KeePass installation for the import of password databases by clicking on the checkbox in front of Allow Import. Confirm the setting change by clicking on OK. You are now able to create a group that imports accounts and passwords from a shared password database. To do this, you must create a new group or edit an existing group. Please note that if you edit an existing group, the passwords already saved could be overwritten. In this example, we will create a new group. Open the context menu by right-clicking on a group. Click on New Group in the context menu. Type in a meaningful name for the group. Switch to the Key Share menu to configure the export settings for this group. First set the Key Share type to import. To do this, click on the select box next to Type to select Import from the drop-down menu. Now select the storage location of the shared password database. To do this, click on Browse. Now select the password database you want to import in your file directory. Make sure that the file cannot be renamed or moved later to ensure permanent access. As soon as you have selected the storage location, click on Open to apply the settings. Enter or paste the password of the shared database. You have now made all the settings to permanently import this group from the selected storage location. Switch back to the general group settings. Then click on OK to create and save the group. As long as the group is selected, you will see the import path from which the shared password database is imported at the top. If there are problems with the import or you currently do not have access to the storage location, this will be highlighted in color, and you will receive an error message. All existing accounts in the shared password database will now be displayed in the selected group and re-imported each time you open your password database. You now know how to import a shared password database into KeePassXC. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides. In the next video you will learn how to automatically log into an account. Thank you for watching.